Hi everybody. Say I'm just going to spend a couple of minutes with you giving you an overview of what I found doing my HomeFit checklist. It's a great self-assessment tool, and frankly it took me much less time than I thought it would be. Maybe 20 minutes top to bottom, and then making notes. So here we go. I'll take you through the house. Here we see the entrance to our home, and there are definitely stairs. There's no entrance without some stairs, but these are fairly easy to navigate, and whether coming from the garage or from the front of the property. Not much I can do about it. I could possibly ramp it when it needs it. But it is a 0-step entry when you come into the house, but there is a stair down into the main area. We do have carpets here, rugs here, but they're all secured to the floor and not really a tripping hazard. In the kitchen, things are mostly in good shape here as far as reachability. We installed shelves that swing out, as you can see here. Most of the cabinets are within reach, although for somebody who was in a wheelchair, they would obviously be farther away than they could access. Steps out to the deck. Again, no steps to navigate here. And the deck is fairly flat, but there is a step down here, and I think I need to put some kind of a paint or some kind of markings so that people would see that there is a step there, and then there is a step on the other end that should be marked. Heading upstairs, even though it's daylight, I've turned on the motion sensor lights, which come on obviously when it's dark. They're fairly easy steps to navigate, and we could install a chairlift in here. Here's the other light that would go on if you're navigating at nighttime. This is the guest bedroom and den, and we had the great idea to have a grandkids sleeping area with a ladder. But as I've examined this ladder, not only is it probably only for kids and not old folks, but you can see up at the top here, it needs to be more safely secured so that it doesn't slip. So that's a task I've got to take care of sooner than later. Here we are looking at the upstairs bathroom, and the first things you notice is that there are throw rugs in here, and they do not have, they're not sticky backed, and they could be trip hazards. So we're going to have to either replace these or put some sticky back on them. But we do have a grab bar in the shower, and the surface of the shower is slip resistant. We're in the downstairs bathroom now, and once again you see some little throw rugs here which are not stuck to the floor, and here's another one, and these need to be adhered to the floor or replaced. And we have a tub with a grab bar and a bath mat that is slip proof. So I think we're okay here. We have a shower that can be managed by hand. So in summary, for my little assessment here, I think we're in pretty good shape, but clearly there are some things I need to tend to. The throw rugs in the bathrooms, gotta go or gotta fix them more securely. The ladder here in the kids' loft, gotta secure that. The step downs going into the living room and out on the deck, those need to be more clearly identified for a slipping hazard. And other than that, I think we're in pretty good shape, and I just love the process.